Alright, here we are at building number 9 here at Disney's Art Animation Resort, the final building in the Little Mermaid area. There's King Triton. Over there you can see Sebastian the Crab. And now, let's go in here and ride the elevators in this building. Like I said, buildings 7, 8, and 9 have exterior corridors instead of interior corridors, which is kind of interesting. Now, here are the elevators. Got more Otis Series 5. Got the left car to ride first. 4. Fourth floor. Back down to 1. Door close does not work. Here are 1, and it looks like the other elevator just went upstairs, so we might wait for a while. Anyways, we'll send that elevator up and try and get the other one. And went all the way upstairs to 4. While you wait, come over here. There's your manpower elevator, fire alarm pull station. Get a view of a guest floor. And here comes this elevator. Going to point the camera away here to somebody in the elevator.
Stop it. Okay.
Alright, what floor we all like?
2.
2? Alright. What floor, sir?
Same.
Alright. You're all good. Sure, you probably had a long day at Disney.
Got me there.
Yeah. You're close to the door, that's why. Close does not work. Oh, be quiet.
Don't like it.
Have a good night.
Thanks, you too.
And thank you. Number 4. And now go back down to 1 and end the video. Get a cavity of this elevator. Same as all the other 5 I've ridden in this area. They're okay elevators, definitely not well decorated. Just plain blue. Floor indicator, key switches, certificates, and your Series 5 buttons. Here are 1. This is elevator 2, 3,500 pound capacity. And phone box is jammed. Alright. There it goes. And that'll be it for this building.